Caitlin, can you tell me what today is?
My birthday.
How old are you today?
4.
4? I don't think you're 4. How old are you today?
3.
3. What are you eating? A cinnamon roll, and what else? Fruit. What was the best part of your whole year?
I came on the best bucket of SeaWorld.
SeaWorld was the best part of your year? That's awesome.
And I got to see the big bucket SeaWorld.
The big bucket. Do you know that Mommy and Daddy love you?
This much.
This much. Who loves you most of all?
This kiss.
We heard that song yesterday. Who loves you most of all?
Jesus.
Jesus loves you most of all. And today we are so thankful to the Lord for giving us you. Happy birthday!